Thank you very much. Welcome to Nairobi TV. Just tell us about the distribution of bursary that have happened today.
Thank you. My name is Daudi Raboko Gonyo, the chairman CDF Starehe, and I want to thank God first for this day that we planned to distribute bursary checks to our parents and our children as they go back to school, being led by our captain Mheshimiwa Amos Mwago Maina, who has been here throughout the day. And we are happy that today we were dealing with 4 wards, which is Ngara, CBD, Ziwani, and Pangani. And we have distributed today more than 8,000 checks. And we know some of our people, because this is a work being done by human beings. In one area or the other, sometimes you'll find there's a mistake. But we are assuring all our people that anybody that filled the application forms, be rest assured that your check will be available. And therefore, we have asked our people that on Monday we'll still be serving them in the office, because tomorrow we'll be in Landimawe and Nairobi South. That is where we'll be finalizing our exercise tomorrow.
Maybe regardless education, Mheshimiwa Mwago have been part and parcel of making sure that the Starehe residents have benefited in education by building schools. Maybe going to the future, do you think there'll be a new phase for Starehe people?
I want to assure Starehe people that you made the right choice by choosing and electing Mheshimiwa Amos Mwago Maina, who is young, energetic, and very wise. And he being somebody that was brought up from humble beginnings, he normally says that education is the equalizer, because he is a beneficiary of education. And therefore, I'm foreseeing a future, a brighter future in Starehe, whereby if you go to our schools right now, most of our schools, we have done renovations, we have built new classes. In fact, right now, in all the new classrooms that we've built,